today we're in Newquay. Don't let the blue skies fool you. Bitterly cold wind blowing today. But yeah, anyway, we are walking to Constantine Bay from Newquay along the Southwest Coast Path, and that is going to be about 11 miles. So let's see how we go. We're just about to start leaving Newquay, and Newquay itself is as Cornwall goes, it's not the most picturesque of towns, but what it has got is 7 of these lovely coves, sandy beaches, beautiful waves, and that's what's made the area so popular, I suppose. Surfers come here, and just families for the beaches. So this beauty is Porth Beach. Still on Porth Beach, and this little indentation there, it's an old dry dock. Cornwall relied heavily on their fishing industry going back hundreds of years, and yeah, wooden fishing vessels used to get repaired and built in that little area there. Do it justice, but there's something else you can see on the left there. The updraft's all of a sudden hitting you. There it is. Literally got to struggle to stay upright when you hit those. Watch where you step today. A good job the wind is behind us, that's what I'm saying. Talking of amazing. The ocean always impresses. We're ahead of us now, just dropping down into Watergate Bay. I need to document this. Hopefully you'll hear me above the wind. Just walked through Watergate Bay, got talking to this chap. His name's Chris Harris. Turns out he's 74. Doesn't look it, trust me, doesn't look it. But yeah, we got talking to him, and so Southwest Coast Path, it's a national trail, a well-used trail for like long-distance hikers. And then we got talking to him, and he said, "Oh, no, I'm not walking the Southwest Coast Path." Yeah, he's all kitted up, and literally a couple of questions later, "Oh yeah, well I'm actually heading to John O'Groats." So he's not walking the Southwest Coast Path, he's walking Land's End to John O'Groats, 60 days. As I say, his name's Chris Harris, apparently he's got a blog going, but incredible man. Wow, brief respite from the wind. We may have to bail out, to be honest, when we get to Mawgan Porth. The wind is so strong in exposed sections. It's starting to feel like we shouldn't be out on the cliffs. So we get to Mawgan Porth, we've got to go out there. And once we get to Mawgan Porth, we'll make a decision. Wow, nice to be out the wind. Right, making our way across Mawgan Porth Beach. The decision is to press on because it really is spectacular. Very windy, but the ocean, the waves, force of the wind, it's really invigorating, it really is. plus the wind is blowing from the sea onto the land, so if we were to get blown over, we get blown inwards, not off the cliff. Well, this is Bedruthan Point, and it's the highest point of the day at 320 feet above sea level. Let me just spin the camera around. It's beautiful, man. Actually a bit sheltered here as well, surprisingly. Don't know how, but it's perhaps the wind's dropping. And this section of the coast path here is called Bedruthan Steps. God, the wind whipping through these trees. Woo! The sea today. I mean, look at it. The camera won't do it justice, but it's absolutely spectacular. It really is. Proper white horses. Wind nearly blew my hat off. The view ahead of me at the moment is mind-blowing. Okay folks, let's see how this comes out. Well, dropping down off the cliffs again. This little bay is called Porth. Well, all of a sudden, my luck's changed for the worst. My bag's just bust, and I just had a tumble down that. I was actually filming at the time, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out. We'll have a look. Grey seal bobbing around without a care in the world in what is a turbulent sea. Look at it, couldn't care less. Okay, this next little beauty is called Constantine Beach. Ultimate bays. This is Bedruthan Bay. Fantastic, man. Well, here we have it. Constantine Bay. Can't hang around too much because we've got to try and catch a bus. I think we're going to miss it. Beautiful flow. The wind actually made it really really special because of the state of the sea. It boiled it all up. Look at it, man. Fantastic. Anyway, that's about 12 miles, so back to Newquay.